Namaskar, Khush raho betiyon. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Session name Fashion Component, B Design 4th semester. In previous session, we will already discuss the fashion component. In previous session, we will discuss element of design, texture, color, and silhouettes are the main fashion component which is used in the fashion apparel industry and the fashion industry. In today presentation, we will discuss some other terminology which are also included in the fashion industry component. First is fashion merchandising. Merchandising is a specialized management function within the fashion industry that consists of the planning, development and the presentation of the product line. The word comes from the merchandise and the means buying and selling something. Merchandiser makes sure the goods are available in the right store at the right time and the right price. Merchandising is a complex process. It is started from the after the designing and the role of the fashion designer. When completed, the merchandiser role is started. Merchandiser taking follow up the raw material, trims, accessory. After that, he and she is follow up the cutting, stitching, finishing, quality checking and the end product dispatch. After that, he and she is also involved in the process of selling in the retail store. Merchandising, there are on top of what is going on the market. Merchandiser aim to maximize profit by the deciding what to sell, how much to spend on stock, how much buy and what price to sell at. Merchandising can be further broken down into three type of merchandise. Because of the complex process, merchandiser are categorized in three main heads: fashion merchandiser, production merchandiser and the retail merchandiser. In generally apparel industry or the garment and fashion industry, merchandisers are categorized in the production merchandiser, sample merchandiser and the retail merchandiser. It is the number of merchandiser depend on the process or the production requirement. After that, the garment production is also fashion industry component. The responsibility for making the product or the manufacturing is traditionally called apparel production. Activities includes design, technical design, developing the specification and costing the product. Simultaneously, some other activities are also involved in the garment production: sampling, testing, grading, fitting, marker making, weaving, cutting, sewing, finishing. Garment manufacturing typically involves several companies in manufacturing a product which can be timely processed unless handled efficiently. Garment production is a complex process. It is started with the raw material production order. After that, the raw material purchasing and the cutting, stitching, finishing of the sampling. Then the production samples was prepared. After the production sample was prepared, production is started for cutting. Then cutting, stitching, finishing was done. Then the quality checking was also done. This is the garment production is a complex process in the apparel industry and the fashion industry. After that, the finance is the important fashion industry component. This area is responsible for all the accounting activities of the firm, which include all the expenses, materials and product salaries, as well as the overall business budgets. Finance is important for the working capital, for the business development. Last but not the least, fashion industry component is operation. Typically, this area oversees upkeep of the equipment used by the employees, such as computer, building space, distribution of activities required for the securing material, shipping the finished product, also called logistic. This include any transportation from the material to the factory to deliver of the goods to your company as well as your customers. Fashion industry component or production order and the garment production is also operation. Simultaneously, dispatch process is also operation. Finance, sales, marketing, website development, all other activities are also called operation. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version Jyoti Vidyapat Women's University. If you have some query with this session, you can comment in comment box. Thank you.